Hello and welcome to my channel. Oh, not got the mic on. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I sound like a YouTuber. Wow. Okay, I'm actually doing this now. Deep breath. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Liz Koya. If you did not know, I'm a makeup artist and I specialize in bridal makeup. So excited to be here today on YouTube. A lot of you guys have been telling me do YouTube, and I am finally here. I'm so excited literally to come here and literally showcase everything that I know about makeup, lifestyle, bridal makeup. I'll be sharing my experiences and basically going on this journey with you guys. There are loads of things that you are going to love on this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Most importantly, share and tell your friends and family that Liz Koya Makeup is on YouTube. Yes, honey. So today I'd like to share with you my 5 favorite products that I have in my kit. These 5 products I take everywhere with me and I use them on practically every client. So if you'd like to know what those 5 things are, stay tuned. The first thing on my list has to be my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. It is a skin finish powder and it's literally a finishing powder. You use it over foundation. Some people use it by itself, but I like to use it over foundation. I use it to set my foundation and I love it. I feel like in 2019, a lot of people have been skin focused and these days it's all about good skin. No more of that cakiness. Everybody just wants that good skin glow. And I feel that this literally gives that. It has minerals inside it, so that gives a glow to the skin. And I put it under the eyes, all over the face. I literally use it to finish the makeup and it is literally called a skin finish. So it just finishes it for me. It brings everything together. So it has to be on my fave products. Another one of my favorite products in my kit would have to be the Sensual Skin Enhancer by Kevyn Acoin. This little gem is amazing. It's called a Sensual Skin Enhancer. I use it as a concealer. There is actually a concealer by Kevyn Acoin, but this is what I use as the concealer. And it is so good. It's so pigmented. The color is rich and it's really thick. So you can literally only need a tiny bit. Goes a long way. This tiny little tub is quite expensive. However, I feel like it lasts so long, especially if you know how to use it. And a lot of people say that it hasn't got a good color, like it's not warm or it's too orange. And I did find that, but I found that I had to mix it with another concealer, which gave me that perfect blend. And now I always mix it and it gives me that color that I always need. And I feel like makeup, sometimes if you get it as it is in the pot, might not work for you, but it's how you piece things together and how you, most importantly, use the makeup that actually makes it work for you. So this, for me, it works for me. It just gives me the look that I want. It conceals and it hides everything really quickly because it's so thick, and it just gives me the look that I want, and it gives you that kind of look. The next product on my list of my top 5 faves is my Inglot Gel Liner number 77. I know you guys know about this eyeliner, like it is the bomb.com. Like it does what it says on the tin. It is black. It is actually black. Like, I don't know, I've used a lot of eye makeup before. I've used a lot of eyeliner before, and some of them, they say they're black. They will even write on the packet, jet black. But when you put it on your eye and it dries, it has this kind of like ashy, matte feeling to it. When you put this on your eye, it finishes the eye look like, ooh, girl. It just looks so good, and it dries matte and it looks black and it doesn't have that ashy look to it. And so I love using this. I literally cannot do eyes. If I'm gonna use eyeliner, it has to be this. it has to be this. So that's the Inglot number 77. It also doubles up, so you can actually use this if you're doing like a smoky eye, like a black smoky eye. You can actually use this as your base and it works like a dream. The next product in my top 5 faves is my Lime Crime Venus 1 palette. This palette is a palette that I have used for many years now and it is still working for me. I feel like the colors in it work for what I want. They're the exact shades that I need to build any colors. It has 8 shades in it and the shades that are inside it are just perfect for me. I love this brown. Like as you can see, this brown is it's been used a lot. It's been used a lot. Yep, it's been used a lot. The brown is a brown that I love. It's the exact shade of brown. You know, there are some browns that are kind of ashy or look like black and gray, but this one, it's warm, works, promise you. This orange as well is absolutely amazing. It literally is so good for a transition color. And also this one, I love using this, especially on women of color. I love using this to like blend everything together. And those 3 colors I use as the basis of all my eye looks. So even if I'm doing purple, pink, green, blue, black, brown eyes, I'm gonna use these 3 colors. And it just gives me that blend and that mix. If I don't have this palette, I literally feel really unsteady. I don't know if some other makeup artists out there, if there are some items in your kit that if you don't have, you're like... But literally, if I don't have this, I feel a bit like I've got to take my time and be like, but if I've got this, we good. Like I can get all the looks that I want and they're really pigmented. It comes up really nice. It doesn't really fall out that much and it does what it says on the tin. It's a really good palette. And even if I didn't want to use just the 3 colors, there are other colors here that I can use for bridal and it works for me. And the final item on my top 5 faves in my kit is my Embryolisse Lait Cream. I absolutely love this cream. I actually only started using this cream this year. I'm not going to lie. Like I've known about it for a long time and a lot of people around me use it. I'm like, okay, well, okay. I've had it in my kit before, but I think it burst and then it literally messed up my kit. So I took it out of my kit. I was like, I don't want it, I don't want it, I don't want it. And I got it again this year and I'm telling you, it's amazing. Like I said earlier, 2019 has been literally the year of everybody's crazy about skin goals. Skin goals, skin goals, skin goals. Everyone wants to look good. Everyone wants to have healthy, glowing skin. And I think this is a very, very good moisturizer that gives very good hydration. And for me, I double it up as a primer. Even if you have oily skin, I feel like this works. Obviously, if you have oily skin, you'd have to use another primer on top to actually combat the oil. But this particular primer, this particular moisturizer, allows your skin to be hydrated. And I feel that when you put makeup on top of it, it gives that skin like look. A lot of my clients these days are saying, I want that glowy look. I don't want the matte look. I want to look glowy. I want my skin to look good. And I feel like this helps me. I concentrate it around the eyes especially because under the eyes is where you can get a lot of caking because you use a lot of powder there with the concealer and there's a lot of product. So under the eyes is very, very prone to have that cakey effect. So once I put this underneath, it gives me that skin-like feel. Also, it doesn't allow the makeup to be oily. Like a lot of moisturizers give you that shine and then it just allows the person to be shiny and oily and you're like, okay, what's going on? But this, even if you have oily skin, it doesn't leave any oil. It doesn't make you oily. It doesn't leave that residue. And obviously, if you had oily skin, I would use a mattifying product on top. However, this product still works. It is amazing. So those are the 5 top things that I love and that I have in my kit and that I take with me everywhere and I use on practically every client, even myself. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Like I said before, tell everyone Liz Koya is on YouTube. Hey girl, your girl is here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you later.